think you should be.
What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's episode we are going to be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Neo, and then I already chose a lucky winner to review their altcoin, and I believe it was a subscriber named Press Play said to review Theta coin, and although it's not on TradingView, I did find it on another website so we can review it. You guys might be looking at my hat thinking, why is he wearing a hat? What is that? I don't know if you guys know, but I did just go to the Arnold Expo Convention Center in Columbus, Ohio. And this hat, the symbol here, is Bradley Martin's BM Fit brand. I don't know if you guys know who Bradley Martin is. If not, it's super easy. Just type in Bradley Martin on Instagram or on YouTube, Bradley Martin, and you'll see how popular this guy is in fitness. And I don't know if you can see, sorry for the crazy hair, but I believe right here, I don't know if it's coming through, but he actually signed it. So very, very, very happy to get something like that from such a very well-known, popular guy in the fitness industry. Now, I do have some plans to make some gym fitness videos later, but my main focus for those is cryptocurrency, but I will be doing some separate playlists for fitness to show you guys my physique, because I feel like I want you guys to really know who I am and what my favorite hobbies are. So that will be coming up soon, later down the road on this channel, so stay tuned. So let's just refresh the cryptocurrency market cap and take a look at the market. You'll notice straight away that the market is just shooting red, which is an indicator that we are going down. Again, you'll notice the market cap 442 billion. You remember yesterday it was 466 billion, so that's about $22 billion that have been removed from the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin dominance finally at 41%, still waiting for it to go higher, but it's a waiting game. But as for right now, still okay. I still feel comfortable. The market is down. I'm not sure exactly why. If you guys know specifically what news happened as to why, I did read up on some comments, and somebody said that Litecoin owner started spreading some FUD about the coin, or saying that he was posting other altcoins to buy rather than Litecoin, which is interesting. Not sure why. If you know anything about that, leave a comment below. I'd love to know. But let's just jump right into Litecoin. Very interesting play. Now, I was anticipating a run upwards, but like I said yesterday, we can go up or we could go down. You'll notice we did have this crazy line of resistance here, 211, and we did fall, retesting the one around this 190. I'll move it up a little bit. The 190 line of support, and then we bounce right back up and are now looking at the around the $200 range as a line of support. If we can break above it, it is acting as resistance right now, but hopefully we'll see some recovery and go up. Due to being Litecoin and oversold, we are really oversold on the RSI, so expect to see some type of recovery soon from that. Buy the dip, guys. Don't be afraid. This is a perfect opportunity to buy right here, ride it back up, and sell it right here. Definitely something I would consider doing. Like I said to you guys, and I tell you guys all the time, I'm not a financial advisor, but I do like to give you guys my advice on trades and how to trade. So what I told you guys, I don't know if you listened or if you remembered, but I said wait till it breaks here. Don't buy it unless it breaks this black downtrend line. Literally what I said so many times. Once it breaks this black downtrend line, we're going up. It's that simple. But you'll notice we didn't. We were resisting. So if you guys bought here, bad move. We needed to break this downtrend line of resistance in order to see a pop higher. You'll notice we did fall. If you know how to short Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, I'm glad that's a move that you should be able to calculate. But basically what I'm showing you guys is where these dips and falls will happen and what recovery will happen next. So basically the next thing Litecoin needs to do is come back up and retest that middle moving average on the 4-hour chart. Let's check out the daily, see how much damage was actually done. Not too much, honestly. I do see this green band finally crossing over the red band, so that is an indicator we should continue up higher. But clear as day, you'll notice we triangled up, symmetrical triangle, built pressure, could not break this 212, and we fell. It's that simple. I want you guys to learn how to draw these symmetrical triangles. Another thing to bring to my channel, I have a lot of people here at college that want to get into cryptocurrency and don't have as much knowledge as I do reading graphs and learning how to look at the market. So I thought maybe have one of my friends or someone on college campus to come join in a video with me, and we'll just sit here and kind of have a talk. So basically I can talk to you guys, or I'm talking to you guys, but I can't really sit down one-on-one and have a conversation with you. And as much as I'd like to do that, I feel like the closest way I can do it is have somebody else who doesn't know much about cryptocurrency come onto my channel and my show and interview them and help them read graphs. And I feel like you'd get a better understanding of how to chart and learn if I had somebody who didn't know as much as me and I could teach them and help you guys in a way. So basically he would act as you guys and I would just teach him somehow I would teach him and it would indefinitely teach you guys. So you see that pattern. Sorry for the hiccup, but I was trying to find the words. Moving on to Bitcoin. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about that because I thought that would be really cool and a helpful way to help you guys out. But moving on to Bitcoin. Very interesting play. You'll notice I pretty much drew what was going to happen. Again, I'll show you my issue with what's happening. Ran up, fell, ran up, fell. Very interesting play on Bitcoin. Very, very, very interesting. What I like is that we dropped off right here and are bouncing back up. You notice we did just double top, which was an indicator that we would fall. I did call that once we touched down here or retested this middle moving average, we'd pop higher. That's what we did. I told you we needed to build some steam and pop up off this 11,700, but you'll notice that that is a massive resistance for Bitcoin. So we do have to break through that. Nice to see that the middle moving average is coming up too, and the green band, we are retesting the green band to look for that as support, and clearly that is what it's doing, and it is popping off that right now as we speak. So hopefully we can recover and move back higher and then retest that 11,700. Hopefully we can get through this time. As for Ethereum, let's check that out. Again, with the consolidation, you'll notice we basically just continued through this triangle here, and interesting enough, I feel like I could possibly draw it out longer. Not sure as to how, but let's just check right now. I'm just trying to maybe see if there's something that I missed. Could be like that. I'm going to go onto the daily and show you guys this interesting chart. Let me know if you agree, but it does look quite possible. So definitely something, could I get it lower? Yeah, something like that looks very nice and is quite interesting. That may be the play on Ethereum if you guys didn't notice. I'm going to go to the 4-hour to show you guys a better look. You'll notice how on Ethereum that triangle that I drew before didn't quite add up. We just kind of consolidated through it. But this could be a better overall graph. Sorry, this is so slow. Okay, here we go. Sorry for all these lines. I can try and just delete some, give you guys a better look. So something like that, you'll notice. Running down, you'll notice this is pretty much right in the middle, acting as support. Line down here, I believe this will be the line of resistance for Litecoin for Ethereum at the moment. So I'm just going to delete these because why not? Okay. So we came back down, retested our line of support at around, what is it, 815, and have not been able to break 875. That seems to be the big power play. This huge downtrend descending triangle. We'll see where we end up. Again, let's see if it follows here. You'll notice not only are we bouncing off this 877, 875 downtrend, we are also, line of resistance. We are also bouncing off the middle moving average as a line of resistance. So that is interesting too. But we'll see how this triangle plays out. We'll see if we can bounce up off here, not retesting the middle moving average and come down lower, or if we pop out and continue up higher. Definitely something to pay attention to. We are oversold on Ethereum, so that is something to pay attention to as well. As for Neo, like I called yesterday, we came down, we retested the middle moving average as well as this line of support, and are now popping and bouncing off of it as expected. We'll see where that takes us. There is this line of resistance that comes right down here. So be aware and be mindful of this. That may come into play later on in Neo's journey. If I was to hold on to Neo right now, I'd probably sell right around here. I wouldn't wait to break up. I'd be too nervous. Play it safe, conservative mindset. Wait till it breaks out of it. But I would, if I bought here, I'd sell it here, wait for it to pop out, and then continue the run up. And lastly, let's look at Theta coin. Kind of a tough graph to draw, but let's see. So checking out this new website that I saw in another video, I believe I can edit this chart. Not sure how. Okay, let's check this out, see if this works. Kind of going on a limb here. Not sure if we can find the chart. I wish I could draw on it. I'm confused why Theta pops up on here, but not on crypto. I'm going to try Theta USDT. Let's see if that works. Theta / USD. See, there we no, that is not it. All right, so let's just keep looking at this. I'm gonna go to the 4 hour. I wish I could edit this. I don't know how, but oh, maybe right here. Cool, that's what I was looking for. All right, so let's go to the daily. Actually, let's get a bigger view of Theta to USDT. Very interesting plays I'm seeing right now. Literally just looks like a W. So let's draw this horizontal line we are getting right here, acting as support for this crypto. Now I am seeing a line of resistance that is going to start pulling us down on Theta coin. So if this loads, we will check it out. Seems to be giving me issues. Okay, so I just drew this line right here. You'll notice we are seeing a downtrend in Theta coin, which is very interesting. We are pulling back. You'll notice right here. I could probably draw these up higher if I wanted to make a more connect the wicks, I guess. So something like that, maybe, or just connect the actual candlesticks. But definitely something to pay attention to on Theta coin is we did have this massive run up, and it does need time to consolidate. And this, I'm sure, is going to act as a huge line of resistance for Theta. So I wouldn't be buying into it now. I'd wait for this to consolidate and start heading down. But otherwise, that's pretty much going to sum up the video for today, guys. Please get back to me on those comments I had later in earlier in the video. And if you like what you see, please subscribe, turn on the little bell. I do post a video pretty much every single day, so stay tuned. You want to catch these runs, you got to subscribe, you got to turn on the notifications. Otherwise, you're going to miss out on making some good financial plays. Otherwise, leave a comment below as to what crypto or altcoin you want me to review or you have questions for. Leave it below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.